So you can experience today with Misha and Mama the walk to the school. Open, Misha is leaving. Okay, bye. Hello guys, not good morning, it's afternoon time. So almost 12 o'clock and we are walking to school today, right? With Mama and Misha. We can not go there, so we can go that way. The sidewalk is open, right? Okay, thank you. So you can see the snow this side. My goodness, Misha is enjoying this lovely walk in sunny day. Snow but sunny day. And we are passing the train. Misha, you said bye to train? Bye? Say bye to train. Bye train. Bye train.
I see it.
You have to wait.
Bye train.
You can see this hand sign. You have to walk after this. Otherwise you will not walk. You can see this walk sign now. So you can walk now.
So it's like first it was white, now gray. The walk sign.
So while walking around, just say something. They are fixing something in here. This train station area. So we are just going from sideways. Right? We are taking down. Not taking down. We are going school. So you can see this is all work going on here. They have closed the road here. That side, everything. This is road work going on. Something. So what happened? So what is the day today actually? You tell me.
Today is the ugly sweater day.
Oh, really?
And it's just
Let me show you something. Let me show you. This is her ugly sweater day. She got ready with that way. You can give me the bag.
No.
Oh, she likes to hold her bag. But why?
Because I want to be careful.
Oh, she wants to be strong. I can hold your bottle only. Then please. Please.
Please.
Give me something to hold.
No.
Okay.
Good. Your phone is already heavy.
Oh, really?
And this is light.
So this is how it looks. Nobody is here. We are just only walking. Now, this is a footpath area. Don't go there. Don't go on snow area. You have to come on road little bit. So otherwise, sidewalk is totally covered with snow. You can slip there otherwise. So yes, now you can come right back to the sidewalk. Right? What are you doing? Why are you touching the snow?
I don't know.
You wanna wear your gloves?
Oh.
So such a beautiful day. No cold anything, but snow is there.
There was a bad guy and you can't go there.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? This you saw?
It was
Why are you going there? Why by yourself? Not coming with me? You're not with me?
It was the snow again.
Okay. Why are you touching all the snow?
It's not cold.
So,
I touched it. It's cold.
12:30 is a
It's cold.
school time and it's like half an hour. We took a little extra time just to walk around and we can go to school slowly, right? We can, no need to rush. Yes. You can see they're holding up the line, the road, just to that people are not coming this side. तुम्हें गर्मी लग रही है? Oh God! After walking around, like we're still on the way, and she's feeling hot. I am also feeling a little hot. So, so little you can still see snow, but still good weather. What are you doing? Why are you holding up the snow? Show me. Oh God. She's a.
It's like when I
Yeah.
it's like little bit. little bit cool.
Oh, really?
Little bit cool. You guys are little bit cool.
Ah. So hot.
You can
You can keep it in the bag. We have to wait. We have to cross this highway. So no, you cannot go in snow. You're gonna slip. So this is like black snow, so much slippery. So you have to be careful. So you have to be careful. So you have to watch everywhere. The car is not coming from there and there. Then you can go ahead, right? So you have to wait and watch. Let them go first. Then we can walk. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How was that? You crossed easily? Okay. So now where we have to go. Misha will guide me. Slowly. Watch your steps. Where? Which side? Straight? Okay. Come. We have to follow her. Now we are reaching almost where? So let me see where it is. Where we have to go? We have to cross the road. My God, she knows everything. Okay, where we have to go? Which area you have to enter? This is not the school area. We have to go some other way. Right? Right or wrong? Where is the destination? Where are you going? Okay, almost reaching to the school. And I don't know where she has to go. Where you have to go? Because she's coming every day with daddy. So that's why, like, after a long time I came with her actually. So yes, let's see. She's taking me to the school. She's guiding me actually. Misha, wait, Kalo. We have to go. Where is your door? Where is your door? Oh, but you have to wait outside because nobody is here. We came early. It's 12:15 around. We still have to wait 10-20 minutes because 12:35 is the entry time. The school. Why are you holding this? You can wear your gloves. You can play snow for the time being. It's cold. My God. Really? So almost 12:30. She is saying, okay, let me wear my bag. You wanna go? Don't leave me. Misha, don't leave me. Okay, we have 5 minutes and she will go to class. Right?
Say goodbye.
No, don't go right now. Open, Misha is leaving. Okay. Bye. Bye, Misha. Bye. So I dropped Misha and today is December 17th. So daddy was at work. So that's why I came to drop her. So I hope you will like this video. So see you again with a new vlog. Bye.